Hello folks, so today we made a stop in West Palm Beach off Okeechobee Boulevard at Bud's Chicken and Seafood, one of the most popular places that I've heard of in West Palm Beach, and I promise you guys, they are up to the par, they are up to standard. We got the chicken tenders box with shrimp, and of course their famous hush puppies was very well received. We also got some baked beans from them and their fries. Very good. Guys, I promise you a little secret. We got their chicken kidney or liver. Yeah, chicken liver dinner. And I promise you that was well worth it as well. If you're in West Palm Beach and you want a quick fried chicken, you know, we don't know the fried foods too much, but guess what? Stop over by Bud's and of course let them know say Yardie TV send you. It was good. I promise you that. Yeah man, try it. West Palm Beach. Yardie TV says so.